What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Nomadic King channel. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz. And today we're doing a shoelacing video. Now this was a subscriber requested video. They want to see a complete lace up, how I lace my boots up, and how I'll put them all together. So I'll flip you guys around, throw some socks on, lace my boots, and that's basically it. So grab your popcorn, sit back, enjoy the show. So I've got these Obanoff laces I bought from Frank's when I went out to Idaho. They're nice and long, okay? They're about $8 to $9. And we're gonna go ahead and put them on these boots. Got some socks I'm gonna throw on first. So pop the socks on, we'll get this going here. And then you can kind of change the camera view, come up a little bit closer to where you can just see the boot. And this is where we'll do like the actual boot stuff, okay? Alright, so what we got here is the new shoelace. We've got our false tongue, okay? Now some people like to bring the false tongue up a little bit higher to about here. I'm going to go ahead and thread it in down here at the bottom. And what the false tongue is supposed to do is protect this softer leather. As you can see, just from using mine a little bit, it's been worn, and it kind of starts wearing towards the one direction, kind of like the way it wraps around your foot. So I'm going to be putting this one in right here. We'll throw the leather through the eyelid, the eye hole here. We'll go into the false tongue, under the back side, and out again right here. Okay? Now I'll put this into this eyelid. Pretty sure that's what they're called. And then we will adjust this to where it's even. Even right here, about the same height. Okay, so now we've got these basically the same. They're even on each side, okay? I'm going to take the one and I'm going to go ahead and thread it through first. And there's a few different ways to lace. Some people have, they like to skip an eyelid, like 2 instead of the 1 or something. So this side's done. We're going to go ahead and lace this side up. Okay, so if you guys are interested in another boot review or an update on these Franks, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I'll get one of those working on for you. I still have to put together the rest of the making of these boots. So we've got the eyelids done, okay? Now what we have left here are the hooks. So same thing's done here. I've got the extra lace shoved in the top, okay? So we'll take our foot with our sock, pop it into the boot. Nice snug fit. Okay, now right here we've got this inside tongue, and we're gonna go ahead and fold it like this, and that's gonna give a little extra protection and get it out of the way. I'm gonna pull this tongue up, and then I'm just gonna nice and slowly making this tight. So tighten this one, tighten this one. It's gonna keep the slack from going back. This one, and now we're here at this point right here, okay? Now all these are tight, and I'm at the end of my eyelid, so I'm gonna use one of these, okay? Put this right where I want, and I go one at a time, and as I pull up, I kind of wiggle my foot to kind of take some of the slack out. I'll go one at a time, just kind of. There we go. That one's up. Now it's nice and tight, okay? Now as I'm threading this one, I keep the tension on the other one just to keep this nice and tight all the way up. Okay, now these laces are nice and new, so they might not want to go into the hooks, but you can go ahead and force them a little bit if you need to. Now I got these, they're pretty long, I like to wrap them around, so I've got them tied right here. I'm gonna wrap them around one time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lace. Okay, and then I'll double tie them just so they don't come apart. Now that's how I like to tie these boots, and that's how they look right there. After I put them on, we'll go through this process one more time. And like I said, let me know in the comments if you guys want to give you guys a review on where I'm at with these boots to date, how I like them, what's going on, show you some of the wear and tear from using them. And then I've also just purchased a pair of boots from White's, so we'll be doing an unboxing soon, and we'll have another pair of boots to talk about here. So as you can see, I've started from the front, I've tightened, I've kept the tightness, and I've slowly worked the tension to this last set of eyelids right here. Okay, it's nice and tight. Now I'll make sure this tongue is nice and folded, this one's cinched up, got the tightness here. Now it doesn't matter if you're doing the right side or left side, just grab one of these, work it up one at a time, and if you need to, just kind of do that with your heel, kind of works out the bubbles. There we go. That's how you get it tight. Keep the one you've already done tight as you're wrapping the other one. Make a knot, wrap around, and then we'll tie. There we go. There we go. Looking pretty good. What do you guys think? Is that how you do it? Would you cut these so they just fit one time without tying around? I like this. I feel like it gives a little extra tightness around the top. And these are just super snug all the way down the leg, all the way down my foot, just wrapping around my foot right now. You can see it moving inside the leather. These feel really nice. And then when I take them off, go ahead and undo this double knot here. There we go. These shoelaces feel so good right now, the way they are, because they're brand new. I've got a pair of used laces we'll go ahead and compare them to so you can see just how worn they'll get over time, being pulled and stretched. Because when you first get them, they're nice and thick and they slowly start stretching out. So you got to get enough room right here to let your foot out, because these boots are nice and snug. And take this extra lace, I like to fold it and I like to put it in the top of my boot. Keeps it nice and organized. We'll do the same thing right here. We'll untie our double knot. We'll unwrap this top lace. We'll take out the shoelaces from the hooks, and we will pull and loosen the laces out of the eye holes, the eyelids. Okay, once again we'll take our slack, fold it, stick it in our boot, and then the boots will be easy to store away for tomorrow when you decide to go to work again. Alright, like I said, let me know what you guys thought about this video. Easily do requests. I didn't know you were up there. Let me know what you guys thought of this video. If you guys have any other suggestions on what you'd like me to show, you know, when we're talking about boots, tool bags, or anything else, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. And if I'm able to take care of that request, I'll go ahead and make a video just for you. So, hey, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. I read all of them, even if I don't reply to them. So, see you guys on the next one. Peace. Making all those market sales.